Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we have another exciting video because once again it is sponsored by none other than MŌDA brushes. So as you guys know by now, I am the November MŌDA Maven of the month. So I've been sharing a lot of my favorites, including the metallics kit. I will be doing a getting ready with me, mostly new products that I've kind of gathered over the last month, a lot of old favorites, but I just wanted to kind of share once again. As you guys know, my discount for this month has been up to 20%. So if you have not used it, use it. It's RLQ Rosie, which is my social networks, which is what I'm known as on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, everywhere. So follow me on my social networks, of course, if you are new here. But if you're a longtime subscriber, I appreciate all your support. I appreciate you guys showing me so much love this month and always just in general. So let's just jump right into the getting ready with me portion. Okay, so as usual, I did my brows off camera, but I am going to clean them up. This is the MŌDA brow brush, which I used the Prismatic version in the last video, and I'm going to be using the one from the Metallics kit, which is my favorite collection. I'm going to go into the CoverGirl Undercover Concealer. Oh, I forgot it. I have like a sick brain right now, so bear with me. I'm just going to clean these up. Freaking love how this cleans my brows, just so you know. Alright, next I'm going to use the MŌDA complexion brush. This is from like the ice cream collection. That design on it is so stinking cute. I can't even. Just to use, just to clean my eyelids, like set the base for my shadow. Alright, so the palette I'm going to be using today is the Morphe X Jeffree Star. That's a great fall palette. So let's just jump right in. Alright, so it's been a while since I played with color, and today we're definitely going to play with color. So we're going to go to the shade here, which is Self-Made. So we're going to go into Self-Made. This is the MŌDA Crease brush, also from the Metallics collection, because that collection has, honestly, all my favorite go-tos, which is why it's my favorite. And we're just going to blend it. I'm actually doing this a little bit messy, so just stick with me. We're going to trust the process. I promise you. This is a lot more pigmented than I expected, and I love it. Alright, so next I'm going to go into the small eye shader from MŌDA, of course. Also from the Metallics collection. You're going to see a lot of those because, of course, that's my favorite. We're going to go into the shade here, which, of course, I did not check the name for. Mogul, I think that's what it is. And we're going to tuck that in right in my corner. Oof. I don't know why y'all let me go so long without playing with color. Like, who am I? I've been really leaning towards and like gravitating towards like fall burgundy colors, crimsons and the browns a lot, which is really unlike me, but I don't know, I just love it. Alright, we're gonna go into the detail brush. That's tiny, perfect for my corner. This is from the Ice Cream collection, again, same collection as the one I used for my complexion, the one on my lids. And this is a Fast Lane, so we're going to dip into black here, this shade, and tuck that in. That's a lot, to be honest. I actually put too much on the brush. I picked up a lot. I'm going to go back over it with the purple so I can tone that down a little bit, because I was not trying to do too much, but of course I did. So next we're going to take just a regular crease brush. This is from the Amethyst MŌDA Mythical collection. This brush is so stinking beautiful. Like, look at that. I wish you could see how pretty it is in person. I'm going to go into this shade here, which is Pink Fleet, and that's what I'm blending up towards the top. We're going to take the same brush I used to clean my brows to carve out my crease. I'm going to go back into the concealer and carve all the way to the black part of my lid. I'm so sorry if I sound a little stuffy. I've been sick being slowly getting more and more sick over the last week, and I think today it just hit me like a ton of bricks, which is okay. It's sick season, if you know what I mean. Doesn't help that everybody I'm around at work is like also sick. Gorgeous. I do need to blend this part out a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take a clean brush. I'm going to go into the Doomed Shadow Brush. This is from the Metallics collection as well. Telling y'all my favorite. And I'm just going to like keep blending this out. Since it's got such a, like a big head and it's clean. And it's going to be able to like help me get all that like clumpy shadow. I don't want to say clumpy shadow. But you know what I'm talking about. Like the part that's not blended out. Better. I'm going to clean this part up. So don't worry. Don't worry. Alright, we're going to go into the shader brush from the Prismatic collection. And I think we're going to go into this shade here. We're going to keep it with the pink for now. I don't know if this is what I'm going to keep doing, but we're going to lay it down as a base. I'm going to coat the lid with that. For the record, this is called 2. Oh, because the top row is welcome back to my channel. And whatever is left on the detail brush, I'm going to go ahead and blend that out. I started to do something I did not like, so you can see a little bit of silver. I'm going to try again. We're going to go into this shade here, which is Don't Know Her. This is the Smoky Eye brush, also from the Prismatic collection. And then I want to put that here, kind of, hoping this like gives me a little bit more excitement. I don't want to be too boring with this look. Okay, so I went ahead to clean up the eye. I do love the way that shade kind of added a little bit more dimension to the eye, if that makes any sense. But we're going to go ahead and leave it like that. I do want to pop on some glitter. We're going to pop on Grape Teeny. This is from Atomic Makeup, and it's got a gorgeous shift to it. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but no, it's not going to. It's got purple shifts, so it'll look cute. And I'm actually going to use a liner brush. So this is from the Metallics collection. This is an angled liner. And the only reason why I'm using this is because you guys know I love to multi-purpose brushes. It's one of my favorite ways to apply like fine glitter. I can't talk. I'm sorry, guys. So we're just going to add it like here, there on the lid. Not all over. I just kind of want to put it like in little spots. You can kind of see reflection already once it's on the lid. We're going to go into the detail brush from the Pro MŌDA Studio, and we're going to dip into this shade here, which is called Designer Label. And we're going to pop that in the inner corner. Alright, so we're going to clean up this mess and do the other eye off camera, and then we'll be back and do the face. So, we'll be right back. Now that the other eye is done, I'm going to go into... This is the CoverGirl Pore Minimizing Primer. Just going to kind of dab it on my face a lot. I'm going to use a complexion brush that I used earlier on my lids just to kind of dab in the primer. I feel like I was about to say concealer. So I do have a little bit of dark circles under my eyes. I have been a little bit tired. So we're going to go into the peach concealer and dab that under my eyes. Just to kind of cancel out the darkness. Because your girl's been tired. So now I'm going to go into the concealer, and as usual, I'm going to apply that before I put on my foundation. It's just the way of doing it, and I love it. And if you try it, I guarantee it's going to like blow your mind. Alright, so I'm going to go into, this is technically a contour brush from the Metallics collection, and this is what I'm going to do to blend out my under eyes. My concealer in. And I am going to go into a much lighter, this is C11, and dab it here. Using the same brush, I'm just going to kind of right in that inner corner. Alright, so I'm going to go into a pointed foundation brush. This is from the Prismatic collection. And dip into my setting powder. I feel like this is the easiest way to set, just because it's angled. We're going to set mostly that inner corner where I put the the brighter concealer. Because I still have to do under my eyes. Alright, now let's do the rest of my face. We're going to go into the Urban Decay Naked Foundation. This is in 51 NN. And then I'm going to go into the oval foundation brush, also from the Metallics kit, and blend in my foundation. This gets so much so quickly. I've been kind of going for a super, like, not a lot of foundation lately. In fact, I've been using this brush, which is my stippler. As you guys know, it's one of my favorites, especially for primer. But what I've been doing is I've actually been just doing concealer and then using that just like all over my face. And I've just been going out in public like that because I've been so lazy lately. And I'm letting my skin breathe because I have a little blemish there. Alright, I'm going to take a powder brush and I'm going to wipe away. This is also from the Amethyst collection. I wish you guys can see that. Kind of. I'm going to wipe away that powder. Alright, so we're going to take the Highlighting Glow brush, my absolute favorite, which I've talked about millions of times, and we're going to go to High Five. This is from ColourPop. It's upside down. We're going to go into this here, and we are going to apply the highlight. So pretty. And then we're going to take the contour brush from the Pro Studio, and we're going to dip into the blush. And we're just going to apply that. This is Thanks for the Memories. Thanks for the Memories from ColourPop. And we're just going to blend that up into the highlight. For lips, we're going to pop on this pair here. This is Heather's and the Treasure Island Just a Tint from ColourPop. So let me pop this on really quick. Okay, so we're going to pop on some Joyride gel liner on the bottom lash line. Go in here. And then we're going to take a smudger. This is from the MŌDA Mythical. This is the dragon one that I love. Absolutely love. And we're going to shade the bottom with Calabasas. We're going to go into this shade here. Right there. So we're going to go into that shade and smoke out the bottom lash. I want this color because I want it to tie in with my lips, because my lips are a little more on the like maroon side and the rest of my lid is more pinkish purple. And let's clean that up. I'm going to go back into the detailer and then back into designer label and kind of touch that up again. And then last but not least, we're going to pop on these lashes. These are the latest from Carity. This is the style Kobe. So let me pop these on and I will be right back. And that was it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. It is a very rosy look. It's a little bit like my oldness, and I feel like, of course, it's something that you guys know I gravitate towards. So thank you so much to MŌDA Brushes for sponsoring this video and allowing me to be myself with my bright colors as usual. I feel like it's been a while since I played with colors, and I wanted to do that with the new Jeffree Star palette. A lot of the things I used in this video, well, not even a lot, but some of the things I used in this video were new products. Some of them were old, some of them were like my current favorites. So I definitely wanted to just put a little video together for you so I can talk. But thank you so much for MŌDA Brushes for making me November MŌDA Maven of the month. If you have not used my code already this month, please take advantage of it. It's linked down below, or you can use RLQ Rosie on their website. All their brushes are available at Walmart. They're one of my favorite brushes, as you guys know, and if you guys have been here for a long time. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, actually. I'm RLQ Rosie on Instagram, which is where most of the people that follow me know me from. I'm also on all of those social networks. They're all linked down below, so don't forget to follow, subscribe, do the thing. But like I mentioned, I want to thank MŌDA Brushes for sponsoring this video. I truly appreciate it. You guys see a lot of them on my channel, so I think that this was a wonderful opportunity. And I think that was it. I hope you liked this video. I will have a couple videos up coming up soon. And let me know what you guys want to see next, of course. If you don't like this video, please just walk away, pretend it did not happen. But as for the rest of you guys, I appreciate you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.